Hi, my name is Grace Herstad, and today I'll be talking about squids as part of the protostome unit for Biology 112. So there's obviously lots of different types of squids, but I'm pretty sure the one that we dissected in lab was the short fin squid, so its scientific name is Ilex argentinius. Squids live in all the oceans of the world and are very diverse. They can handle shallow water, deep water, light, dark. They live in groups. They can live all alone. So it just really depends on the kind of squid you're talking about. So for hunting and as predators, squids eat fish and crustaceans, but they also might eat other squids, especially if they're in like a stressed environment, like being caught on a net. As prey, they're eaten by most of the larger fish in the ocean, like sperm whales, bonyfish, and then they're also fished by humans. So squids belong to the kingdom Animalia within the domain Eukarya. They're from the phylum Mollusca, which means that they have a hard shell or a hard outside. And then they're from the class Cephalopoda, which means that they have a stomach foot. So this is a picture with some of the adaptations that I drew of squids. So they have a thick mantle for protection against predators. This is pretty hard to break open. We tried dissecting it in lab. And they have chromatophores in their skin, which is pretty much pigment colors, to make them camouflage more, and then they're also able to change their skin color based on what environment they're in. They also have very advanced eyes on the side of their heads. They're often compared to human eyes because they're almost that complex, but that allows squids to see predators and also their prey. In between all their arms, they have a hard beak for eating. This is helpful for eating harder fish and vertebrates. And then they have suckers on their arms, which allow them to attach to surfaces, attach to things, and grab stuff. So this is a picture of a squid. It looks very similar to the one that we dissected in lab, but it's not the exact same. I forgot to take a picture of what we dissected in lab. And then squids are important to the environment because they're a key predator in the oceans. They help control the population of smaller fish. Then I also added that they help take nutrients from primary producers like plankton and phytoplankton, and then pass those along to the other higher species that will eventually eat the squids, like tuna and sharks and that sort of thing. And then they're important to humans because we eat squid as food. They're actually very high in vitamins and minerals and can also be used medicinally and traditionally. And then they're also important because they're food and prey of many of the other larger fish we eat and depend on, like tuna, mackerel, that sort of thing. And then this is my references. I use Britannica, Logdom, and VinMec to tell me about squids. That's it. Thank you.